Hello, I am Igor Plopski from Russian Firework Institute Explosion Club. Today I will be showing you how to stay safe on bonfire night. Number 1, stand well back. This is far enough. Number 2, keep pets indoors. Wildlife, always keep enclosed box. Not me, fireworks. Only buy fireworks with CE marked on them. That does not mean crazy explosion, British stupid kids. Always light at arm's length, preferably arm of King Kong. Never give sparklers to child under 5, or hamster, or fish. Remember, have fun, stay safe, and this is your friend Igor Plopski signing off.